You're going to want to stick around for this video. This car is extra special. It's a 73 Challenger, has so much more than meets the eye. Under the hood is a new Crate SRT 6.4 liter Hemi motor from Mopar Performance. It has a $6,000 transmission setup. It's a 5-speed pistol grip, the clutch, the whole package. Has a posi rear end, all custom suspension, a tubular front K-arm, just all sorts of good stuff. We'll tell you all about it. Air conditioned, the thing's done nice, and it is fresh. The nubs are still on the tread of the tires. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a, excuse me, each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, the fit and finish seem to be outstanding. It's a nice bright white, polished like white glass. It has the power bulge hood, they called it. Black stripe decals, really sharp on there. Really, the fit and finish is amazing. This is white glass, beautiful, all down and around, square, flush. The roof, no vinyl top, just all beautiful, shiny white paint. The door jambs are just as slick. Shuts like a new car. Same owner for the last 30-something years. Quarter panels, the lines are straight and beautiful, and the wheel well moldings fit right. All of this is looking good. Square, flush, beautiful. Here's a touch-up right here. Something must have chipped it right on there, and they touched it up. All this is looking absolutely fantastic. Boy, who bought this car? Pat him on the back. All nice around the wheel well, the rockers, a few little chips on the edge of the door it's touched up. All fits square, smooth, no rust, no damage. Oh, shuts nice too. I don't see any cracking, bubbles. I don't see any issues at all. This is exceptionally nice. I bet this paint looks better than it did in 1973 when it was brand new. So it has the dual racing mirrors, the chrome ones. They're sharp looking. Windshield was replaced. The rest of the glass is good original. It has the nice 392 Hemi emblems. Up front here, the bumpers new. The grille looks to be in really nice shape, 8 out of 10. The bezels, lights, everything up there is really sharp, fits nice. Correct antenna. All the stainless trim looks very nice. It might have all been replaced. Door handles look new. Gas cap looks new. And it's sitting on some Magnum 500 wheels, but it's the modern version. Those are cut from billet aluminum. They're American racing wheels. BFGoodrich tires, they're 15-inch. They look really nice on the car. And then it has the black tail stripe on it. That's a sticker as well. That's how they work. The rear bumper's new. The tail lights look new. Very nice looking car. It has a nice stance. That's just the half of it, though. It has so much good going for it. Let's continue the tour. All right, I'm going to show you a real nice trunk compartment. Under the trunk lid, painted glossy, has a working light. These are two famous Mopar race car drivers, I guess, Daryl Alden and Scott Jeff. Jams painted nice, weather strips nice. The whole inside is clean. White metal, the plugs, the grommets, everything's fresh. It does have a space saver spare. There's the jack assembly, all nice and clean and tucked away like it should be. New mat done on the floor. They've relocated a gel cell battery to the trunk, has a disconnect. Very nice, clean, and complete trunk compartment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. And I'm telling you, I'm not using the word perfect, but this is an exceptional car. It's just fit, finish, and function are great. So jams are painted nice. Weather strips look new and fit nice. Door panels are in excellent shape. Couple light surface scratches on them, but overall very nice. It has a new dash pad, an excellent dash pad. And it has the rally dash in it with all the instruments. Kind of an old school tachometer mounted there. Quartz movement in the clock. The AM/FM radio plays loud and clear. I don't know if it has any upgrades internally, but I turned it on and it sounded great. It's an electronic gas pedal, and this can control city, sport, sport plus. Ooh, that sounds fun. All nice and clean. A fire extinguisher kind of tucked away under there. The interior lights work. The AC vents are in nice shape. Really nice carpet, Challenger embroidered on the carpet. Center console looks like new. The wood grain, all that's real nice. But check out this billet. Looks like a carbon fiber handle on the pistol grip shifter. That is so cool. That's an SST transmission package. Seats are reupholstered and looking fine. Backs of the seats are upholstered. We got floor mats. We got upholstered back seat. Side panels all look great. Has Jensen 6x9 speakers. Trim around the back window. All around the inside. All the trim is great. Headliner tight as a drum. Dome light works. The visors, the mirror look great. Steering wheel's in really nice shape. Yeah, it's a really nice interior. Oh, and I'm holding these bags. They got receipts and documents and kind of a little write-up on the car, but there's all sorts of good information. The paperwork, the receipts for the motor and the transmission package are in there. So that is a Mopar Performance Crate 392. That's a 6.4 liter Hemi engine. Looks like it's all aluminum. So that's the ultimate performance and reliability. That comes completely assembled. I think they come with oil already in them. Has these nice custom 392 Hemi covers put on it. All new wiring harness and ECU, I think it's called. The whole engine bay is beautiful and clean. The vents, the rubber, all that's real nice. Has an alternator with a serpentine belt system. Some nice pulleys. Polished aluminum radiator with a big electric fan. Has nice polished intake tube, overflow bottle. All painted nice stainless hardware used throughout. Chrome master cylinder with power brakes. That's for the hydraulic clutch. Under the hood, nice insulation. So it's manual steering, no air conditioning. The steering is rack and pinion. It just feels great. It feels tight when you're on the road. Yeah, beautiful engine compartment that just runs so nice. Michael's going to demonstrate that for you right now. See you in a few minutes.
Everybody got a super nice restomod Challenger here today. This thing's got a Crate 392 under the hood. That generates something like 485 horsepower, so it's gonna be a really cool ride. Got a Tremec 5-speed manual here, and I've had a chance to jog this one around the block. I mean, this shifter here, it just really clicks effortlessly into the next gear. And it's got a great feel to it, and that's the same for the clutch, which is a hydraulic setup there, just smooth as butter, really. This thing flew through our shop, and we had a service bill including details, something like $1,100 on it, and we literally fixed the map light and the side mirror, and that was it. Let's see what she's got. Alright, and just like that, up to highway speeds, no problem. Let's bump it into fifth here. We're sitting at 55 RPMs and looks like 55 miles an hour and about 1600 RPMs. Let's see how it goes down the street. Yeah, this thing's got rack and pinion steering and a whole new setup up front with coilovers and tubular everything set up really nicely, really good alignment. I did notice that we got a little rub in the back when we went over the bumps. We do have our cameraman, Nico, in the back as well, but that is something that we'll have service take a look at. Normally when they test drive, there's only one person in the front seat, so really good car overall, turnkey, reliable. Get in it and have some fun. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
So you got 485 horsepower Hemi, you got the 5-speed pistol grip. Well, it's got the suspension to handle it. You can get out and drive this car. I'm going to read, it's got so much stuff, I'm going to read it. Magnum Force front suspension, that's a complete, the cradle, it's all tubular control arms, adjustable coilover gas shocks, rack and pinion steering. Then it has welded in frame connectors front to back. They are nicely installed, look like they belong there, keeps the car from twisting. In back, it has a Riley 4-link system, tubular control arms, coilover adjustable gas shocks. The whole brake system was replaced at the time of restoration. Up front, it has Willwood drilled and slotted disc brakes. Lost my place. So the hoses, e-brake cables, all that's redone. Nicely installed custom dual exhaust with stainless steel mufflers, has the correct square tips coming out through the valance. It's a tanks fuel system, so no new fuel tank, the electric fuel pump, all compatible with the modern fuel injected motor. Looking up at the motor, it has an aluminum Holley oil pan, a Gen III mini high torque starter, and then it has the complete Silver Sport transmission package. It was a $6,100 7-page invoice. That came with everything, the nuts, the bolts, the backup light switch. Of course, it came with the Tremec trans that was built by them to handle even more horsepower. You read the receipt, it's very impressive. So it's a hydraulic clutch, custom drive shaft. It's a TKO 5-speed, perfect fit case machining, billet flywheel, advanced friction GRP Series 2 clutch, Dynotech engineering drive shaft, STX short throw, and has superb shift quality. The drive shaft leads back to an 8 3/4 rear end with 355 sure grip gears. All the components are nicely installed, neat and clean. The floors are all nice, clean metal with like a black thin undercoat or the like that rubberized coating under there, so it's nice, clean, and durable. Exceptionally nice car. Someone's going to be real happy with this one. Go to volocars.com. That someone can be you. Salesmen can help make that happen. They can help with delivery, shippings, or whatever questions you have. Thanks for watching.